What I want to share with you in this video is the strongest and most powerful antioxidant you could ever find in nature. And can you have a guess on what that is? Well, that is astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is a red pigment that belongs to a class of compound called carotenoid, and it is often called the king of carotenoid. Now, there are a few interesting facts about astaxanthin which I think you must know. Astaxanthin has been found to be 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C, 770 times more active than coenzyme Q10, 100 times more potent than vitamin E, and 5 times more powerful than beta-carotene in scavenging free radicals. Now, the other interesting thing about astaxanthin is that astaxanthin is very anti-aging. Now, one of the main reasons why we age is due to high levels of oxidative stress from free radicals, and then this usually happens when they start affecting the mitochondria. Now, mitochondria is actually the powerhouse of the cells. If you can remember in your biology, it is the site in our body where substrates are being converted into energy, into ATP, which is the energy currency of the cells. So of all cells of our body, except the red blood cells actually have the mitochondria. But the problem arises when oxidative stress, the free radicals start targeting and destroying the mitochondria, and that is when we are going to start having those effects of aging. We start having low energy, muscle weakness, we have skin aging and other effects of an aging in our body. But astaxanthin actually comes in as a protector of mitochondria, preserving the integrity of mitochondria and helping you maintain vitality, youthful look, and also reducing those side effects of aging. Now, the other interesting thing about astaxanthin is its ability to pass through the blood-brain barrier and blood-retinal barrier. This means that astaxanthin can get into these organs and reduce oxidative stress and free radicals. So if you are looking to protect your eyes, your brain, to improve your cognitive function, astaxanthin is a very must-have nutrient, okay? Astaxanthin also increases your muscle endurance by decreasing the buildup of lactic acid in your muscle during an intense exercise. Have you ever noticed that whenever you are in a gym, it usually gets to a point where you have those burning sensation in your muscle? That is actually due to lactic acid buildup in your muscle. When you have high levels of lactic acid buildup in your muscle, that is going to inhibit your muscle contraction. That is going to give you that sensation of tiredness in your muscle. So by taking astaxanthin, astaxanthin actually has a lot of interesting benefits for your muscle. It helps increase blood flow to your muscle. It helps increase your muscle mitochondrial function. And more importantly, astaxanthin actually favors the breakdown of fatty acids for energy, thereby sparing your glycogen store during this intense activity. So during this process, that is going to increase your athletic performances. That is going to increase your athletic endurance because you are going to have less production of lactic acid, which usually results in fatigue. So by taking astaxanthin, you are going to have more strength and more energy to carry out your workout more efficiently. Now, astaxanthin is also very good in reducing inflammation and inflammatory related issues like arthritis and all of those symptoms of arthritis. And that is actually because astaxanthin is very antioxidant as well as very anti-inflammatory. So by doing that, that is going to help prevent all of those problems. There are actually a lot of scientific and anecdotal evidence on this. So astaxanthin is very good in protecting you against all of these problems. And the other interesting thing about astaxanthin is that it actually protects those cells of your joints against free radicals and inflammation. So that is also going to help preserve the integrity of your joints, and that can help prevent joint pain. Now, astaxanthin is also very effective in improving your immune system, and that is actually because astaxanthin helps protect your DNA, it helps improve your immune response, and it's also going to help equip your body in such a way that it's better able to neutralize bacteria and viral infection from your body. And astaxanthin is very anti-cancer, and that is because it protects your DNA. It also protects your skin against ultraviolet ray, which can result in skin cancer. So these are some of the interesting benefits of astaxanthin. Now, how can we get astaxanthin, or where can we get astaxanthin? Where we can get it from shrimp, We can get it from krill. Krill is actually one of the greatest sources of astaxanthin. You can also get it from crayfish. You can get it from trout. You can get it from salmon. But the one I would actually recommend is krill in the form of krill oil. That is the supplement form. That is going to give you all of those astaxanthin that your body actually needs to carry out all of those functions which I mentioned earlier. Okay, astaxanthin is very good, and if you want to learn more about krill oil, definitely check out this video.